this video, I'll show you how to fix scheduled messages not working on Instagram. So first I'm going to show you how this works and how it looks like. For that, we're going to our direct messages and then we're going to click on a certain chat. And in here, we can actually send scheduled messages, and we do that this way. So let's say I want to send this, and now we're going to long press on the send option. And this will allow us to schedule the message. And right now we have scheduled it. And let's say you want to delete it. Then you're going to long press the scheduled message. And then you're going to click on delete. But if this option is not available for you, there are a couple of things you can do. And the first thing that you need to do then is you can go to your app store. And from here, you basically type in Instagram. And in here, you will see update. And when you see an update, you're basically going to click on this. And this is the same for Google Play or any other device that you're on. Go to the App Store, do the newest update, and then it should work. And if it still does not work, then you can also go to your settings. Then you go to your general, you click on storage, and that will be the same on Android. And then you go to Instagram, and then you click on offload app. And then you have to install the app again. And then when you do those two methods, then it should probably work. And if it still does not work, then it is probably due to the fact that it is not available in your country. And what Instagram very commonly does is they bring new features to certain users, and they are gradually bringing the new feature to more users. So this can take some time. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.